Welcome home, Bitcoin True Seekers. It is Saturday, November 16th, 2019. It's 9:30 a.m. here in Arizona. Okay, so the traditional market is pumping and Bitcoin's kind of circling like a shark. So there's Bitcoin. Hi, guys. So let's look at the Dow Jones. The Dow Jones this morning is making some news because it's above 28,000. So well above the 200 moving average. It's been green EMAs on the Super Guppy indicator for quite some time, many weeks. So the Dow continues to pump to an all-time high. The S&P 500 green candle today also, and it's been pumping. It's continuing to pump. The MACD though is looking like the histogram is beginning to close on the S&P 500 though, and the Russell 2000 is not quite as strong. It's been sideways for a good number of days, up and down, slight little basically sideways channel there. And the MACD, I do believe, has already crossed negative. So S&P 500 and the Russell 2000 are both strong. S&P slightly stronger, and the Dow Jones is just kicking ass. Bitcoin dominance 68% today. Altcoin market cap at 71 billion. Looking at the overall market, well, it was red earlier today, but Bitcoin's starting to make some gains, up 0.64 in the last 24 hours, and we're starting to see a green market today. EOS 1% up, Ethereum 2% up, XRP 1% up, NEO 4%, almost 5% up. ADA, Cardano is up 4.5%. So, market's waking up, and this is Saturday. Interesting. All right, where's Tether going? Tether, 1.43 into Bitcoin last 24 hours, and 833 million into Ethereum. Slightly up from the last 2 days, I think, on Ethereum there. Now, Bitcoin market cap is 153 billion, and the real volume last 24 hours is 138 million. That's half of what we need to have mediocre volume, so very low volume. That's basically a summary of the top 10 exchanges. Shorts versus longs. Bitfinex, BitMEX, and Binance totaled are 58% longs, 41% shorts. Bitfinex and BitMEX both have more longs and shorts, although BitMEX is about 50-50, and Binance, as usual, is, 22 million in longs and 43 million in shorts. So the grumpy people hang out on Binance. Now, where are we going right now? Here's the thing. I'm calling this a descending wedge or a falling wedge, and if you look right here, it is usually a continuation pattern. So you have your flagpole up, then you make a channel down, a wedge down, and then you break up, usually about 70% of the time. Now, looking at the daily, that's what we see happening here. We are this white trend line here. It's a 200 moving average, and we are well below the 200 moving average, but we are staying in this wedge pattern. We dumped below it yesterday, but today we're back in it, and we are green candles so far today. And at least when we dumped out of this wedge, which has happened before, it happened on the 8th, we have wicked down to it quite a bit, and this is kind of our worst breakthrough so far was yesterday, but it was mostly a wick through. And today's green candle, and we are inside of it so far. That's the daily. Let's look at the 45-minute chart. This is a very small time frame here, but just to show, we are keeping within this falling wedge. We are keeping there. And let's see. So that's about what I can tell you today. Basically, we're just filling out this wedge. Now, we have till about the 19th or the 20th when this wedge ends. So expect to see, some kind of a breakout, up or down, which way we shall see. If you watched yesterday's video, hey, Mercury retrograde ends on the 19th and the 20th, like right in the middle there. So maybe it will pay us off. Who knows? Again, continuation pattern. I see it as a falling wedge. We should break out. We have a 70% chance of breaking positive here, I would say. Not financial advice, of course, entertainment purposes only, but that's my opinion. Hey, I belong to blockchain education, and you should too. So if you want to learn how to trade using the blockchain education method and make money when it's a bear market or a bull market, if you look here, there's always coins that are green, and if you're part of blockchain education, you can get in on those trades. And for myself, I've been a member for over 2 years now, I think, and it has truly helped me make money in both bull and bear markets, when it's alt season, when it's not alt season, when Bitcoin is pumping or Bitcoin is dumping. As always, like, share, and subscribe. Also, comment. And I will see you again tomorrow or Monday. Take care.